Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial we're gonna go through TALKIE app, which becomes one of the top character AI chat app. There were a bunch of apps in this category. First, I think I used the app called Chai. It was pre-ChatGPT even. It also was in the top charts. Then there was another app called Character AI, which I think is still around the block. But now TALKIE app is kind of overperforming all other apps. It's constantly in the top charts, and this is a completely new niche with all these Chat GPT models, with all these yeah AI models and stuff like that. But you can chat with universe of AI personalities. Embark on an imaginative journey with a diverse range of AI personalities, from crafting your ideal AI companion to immersive role playing and treasure meaningful moments through captivating visuals. Check out the massive lineup of AI personalities handcrafted by our awesome community. Chat with famous virtual characters or create your own. The possibilities are endless. So yeah, that's the idea. So in this app, you can also build your own chatbots, and you don't need to upgrade. I think you can build like a 5 chatbots here. So there's that. Dive into an AI wonderland. It's like pretty advanced app, and then also you can become a creator on this app and you can earn revenue. And there are some additional features I want to show you which are quite different from other apps. So first of all, this is how the chat looks like. In the top you see 2 tabs. There is chats and there is discover. Discover feed is just basically where you swipe through different AI characters. And then the thing with this app, that this is kind of proactive. These characters instantly start to talking to you. And I don't know how to turn it off, but it just starts talking to you.
Oh, look.
Vanish or vanish.
So yeah, for example, Duolingo chatbot, and then and then you can just start chatting. Then, for example, you see something like that, and then you can see also the chatbot starts talking, and then you can also try to regenerate. And then you can also try to edit. So as you can see, I still didn't upgrade, so you can do that, and then you can just listen to it. And then if you tap on the bot, here you can just follow the bot. You can see number of followers and number of connectors. In this bot, connectors means people who started the chat. You can see the the history, and then there is memory. Memory is a specific part of the chatbot which you can just add, like what chatbot remembers about you, what, for example, this chatbot calls me, what's your pronoun, adjusting the style, you can adjust the style. And then there is Talkie Shop. So sometimes here you can just have cards, and then you can see also who created this chatbot. So for example, you see this creator made 3 bots, and actually Duolingo is quite popular chatbot. It's quite cool actually. And then here in the top right, you can also just report it. Then you can also share the bot with your friends if you really enjoyed it. I actually don't know like how you can make this bot like unique, because you have just a limited amount of prompts you can enter. But yeah, there you have it. And then you can also tap on the cards, and then you can just get these cards. You can just get the free card. I don't know, like sometimes they just offer it as a free card, and then you just get it. And then all other cards you need to pay like 180 gems. So that's how it works. In the bottom, also when you type in the response, there are some also response inspirations. Then there is like a card that's another thing. And then if you tap plus, you can also reset, you can share. Then there is event, talk to Talkie and create exclusive memories. So like that's another feature. And then you can report. So yes, these are the ideas which you can do. And then then you can easily follow just from this menu. So as you can see, quite advanced features right from the beginning, and I don't need even to upgrade for it. So quite cool. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then you just have your account. Then you have your your Talkie. So you can just tap create my Talkie. Select the type of you Talkie. So non-binary boy or girl. So for example, you can just create girl, start creation, and then you can create image reference, style mimic, face mimic, upload a photo. You can upload a photo to create a similar image to it. And then you can just optimize the prompt. So you can also just use AI. Then there are recommendations, writing character descriptions, writing greetings, writing style. So you can really go nuts here. You can really just create something quite interesting and attract an audience. Maybe this is actually a new thing for creator economy. When you can make a successful bot with a lot of conversations and you can monetize it. So I think it will be kind of like a new type of creative economy. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then here you just have this, for example. Then you can just select this and then just pick it. Then you can create image, and then you just tap next. And then name, you can just give it a name. You can also just use AI writer or whatever if you're lazy. And then you will be able to create a character. And then you can just add a voice. You can add different styles. Again, there are some additional okay, these are the same tips. And then you need to confirm with copyright.
Hey, what's up? It's good to see you again.
There you have it.
So, what have you been up to lately? Tell me everything.
So as you can see, it already uses voice message. By the way, I don't know how to disable that they automatically start speaking to you. I think it's in the settings, but it just doesn't work for me. So and then I already have like 2 bots. So as you can see, super easy. One of my bots already got 1 follower and 2 connectors. Not that successful yet. But if you put some effort and you fine tune your prompt, you can get somewhere. And maybe, as you can see, Duolingo bot, it's quite interesting idea. So you can try that. And then there is a new also concept and in this app which is called cards, which you can buy, as you can see, or just get from the bots the more you use them. And then you can also, I guess, create cards somehow. So as you can see here in info, there is tab to create. And then you can just create this just add additional prompt to the card setting. Then you just need to wait some time. You can see that this is again AI generated imaginary, and I'm not paying anything, so that's actually quite cool. And then you can see that, and then you just background story, whatever. Of course, you just need to be more, put in more effort. You can again use AI writer here. It's also quite smart. But of course, you can just do it much more detail and put much more effort. Here, I'm just, yeah, showing it to you. So yeah, doesn't have permission to be. Okay, what does it mean? But yeah, here you have cards. I don't know why it doesn't have. So yeah, as you can see, it's just okay. I'll just. Your talk is under review. Please try again later. It haven't happened to me before, but anyhow, I just wanted to screenshot it. So yeah, that's basically the idea how you can create your talkie. You can create a lot of these talkies, as you can see, 4 or 5 left this week. So you can create 5 talkies per week, I guess. It's quite powerful. There is very low limit, and I don't even need to upgrade. And then I have Talkie Plus. That's the paid subscription you wanna try. So get free Talkie Gems every day, 30 Talkie Gems per day within the Talkie Plus subscription period. Extra inspiration option, get more recommended and inspirational responses to help you respond to AI more easily. Priority chat privilege will give priority to ensuring the best chat experience of Talkie Plus users. You will be free from any data queuing caused by excessive traffic. This is one of the most popular demands, because if you're using Talkie app, especially in US and during US top hours, then basically, there can be some queues and delays. And then you can get extra 3 free gachas per month. There can be more Talkie Gems, enjoy faster AI responses, customize better AI responses. That's only $10 per month. I don't know if there is a yearly subscription. So that's the idea. There is no free trial, unfortunately, and I don't think that there is a yearly subscription here. I don't think. But as you can see, you're already getting so much features in a free version, but I would really suggest you to upgrade if you're chatting a lot and you don't want to have any queues, with it. And then here in the settings, what else? You can disable these features that AI proactively sends message, but as you can see, like it still sends me. Use live 2D background. Then Talkie creator certificate. If you want to get verified, you need to apply here. You just need to go through FAQ process and just apply from there to get this yellow verification badge. Then there are this all FAQs. For example, if there is a web version, there is no web version. Technology, like, of course, these are not real humans. So yeah, here you can see all the details and like how to apply for yellow label. Can you get refund? How to earn money. Here are some details, especially if you start creating bots. And as I understand, people then, if they like your bots, they can buy cards via gems. And you need to buy gems for real money. And then you can, as a creator of this popular bot, you can just get like a part of the revenue. And then in the bottom, you can log out. You can also delete an account. So here is where you deactivate your account. Your account cannot be recovered after deactivation. You will no longer be able to log in and use their products and services with this account. So this is just important to notice, because in some apps, if you delete your account, you still can log in like for 30 days, and then you automatically restore your account. But it seems it's non-reversible here. And then here you can edit your profile, just add a profile picture. And they have also Discord chat settings. And then there is a teenager mode. So you can turn on teenager mode. Some features will be unavailable in this mode, and there will also be limitation listed as follows. Talkie is unavailable from 22 to 6 in the next day. Gotcha and related features will be turned off. Users cannot search, create, edit, share AI. So yeah, you can turn it on, I guess. And then to turn off, you can just turn off, and then to turn off, you will need to enter the password. So anyhow, that's basically the idea of the app. Just a quick overview what you can do here. And this is one of the top AI chatting apps, like in terms of chatting with AI characters. So definitely give it a try. You can do a lot of things here in this app, even in a free, with a free subscription, with no subscription at all. So really good app.